Good.
Depending on what
Let's go.
state of mind she's in.
Well, of course. But
Place.
I got no $3,000. Just saying. Take her! It was just, I mean, it was the best decision I ever made.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I mean, we were just like,
I kept begging her. I was like,
it was
please
so-
take her to the boarded train. I can't do this. Break. Kennel. Yes. Break. Place.
and see, this one looks like a place, like hers.
Yeah.
It's familiar. The one up there may not, but
But she's been on.
she's
She
been
does
on it.
place on beds too.
Okay.
Break. Kennel. She was staring at me earlier, and I was like, I can't look at you. Yes.
Much more focused.
Break. Let's go. Kennel. Good. Good job. Good job. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good. Good job. Good job.
And then that charges, right? Or does it have
Yeah,
batteries?
it's the USB charger.
Awesome.
Could you have
job.
imagined you could be able to do this with her?
No.
No.
Because I would.
I'm
when-
gonna, my
before,
job, my
I
job's
was
gonna be
trying
training
to-
that one. I'm gonna work on him, trying to get him.
Please. But before I would turn this on. When I would like sit there and we'd practice, and I would like give her food when I would turn it on. But like still, she would like try to bite it.
Now you do the back ones too?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
She's so chill.
Good job. I can't believe this. This is amazing. Good job. Good job. Imogen, come. Good. Sit. Yes. Imogen, come. Good. Place. Yes.
You can, if you want, you can come all the way down to this place cot even. Even if the thing doesn't reach, I just get out as far as it reaches, and then I'd lay it down and then come over here if you want. Because I think she can do it at this point. She's calm enough.
Imogen, come. Good. Place. Good.
Boy, God, she's silly.
That's all right.
I'm having more food.
This is human training.
Yeah.
Here, right? Here, I'll go get you some more.
Imogen, come. Good. Place. Yes. Like a little circus animal.
There if you need it, right? But
Right. Imogen, come. Good. Place. Yes.
It was just, I mean, it was the best decision I ever made.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I mean, we were just like,
I kept begging her. I was like,
it was
please
so-
take her to the board and train. I can't do this. Break.